Hello everybody, my name is Putri. I'm from Westminster class. Today I want to present about my lovely house. Next, what is a house? House is a place or building where people can live or stay. In a house, there are some parts of room such as living room, bedroom, bathroom, veranda, kitchen, and yard. Next, my house. How is my house? My house is comfy and spacious. In my house, there are two sofas, and there is one table, and there are three beds.
Beds or bedrooms?
Bedrooms. In my house, I can sleep and study and play in my bedroom, but I can't eat in my bedroom. Hi Abel, what can you do in your bedroom?
I can play with my little brother and study.
Thank you. Next, my veranda and my living room. Veranda. My veranda is spacious and clean. In my veranda, there are some of chairs and there is one table. In my veranda, I can play phone, and in my veranda, I can play with my little sister. Living room. My living room is comfy and clean. In my living room, there are two sofas and one table. I like my living room because my living room is comfy and I can sleep in my living room. Next, I want to tell about my bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. Bedroom. My bedroom is comfy, clean, and organized. In my bedroom, there are two bolsters and there is one couch. In my bedroom, I can study and play. I like my bedroom because my bedroom is so comfy. Bathroom. My bathroom is clean, but sometimes it is smelly. In my bathroom there is a shower, soap, shampoo, and toothpaste, and and many more. Kitchen. In the kitchen, there is a fridge and faucet, and there is one table, and there are a cupboard, and there are two chairs. In the kitchen, I can eat and I can cook in there. Usually, my mom cook for me in the kitchen. Next, I want to tell about type of house. There are hotel, apartment, or flat and residence. And I want to tell about apartment. Apartment is a apartment or flat is a residence in a high-rise building or house that divided into several separate dwellings. An apartment is more used more by Americans. Meanwhile, in UK is commonly used with flat. The dwellers need to pay a high price to get an apartment. Next, I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay. Putri. Okay. Putri, what do you usually do in your veranda?
I play with my little sister.
In your veranda?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What things are there in your veranda? Can you name it?
There are 3 chairs, and there is one table.
One? Is it small or big table?
A small table.
Okay. Next question is, how about your living room? How many chairs are there in your living room?
There are no chairs.
There are no chairs.
There are 2 sofas.
Oh, right. The next one is, do you have a warehouse in your house?
Yes, I have.
Yes, Do you have?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What do people use the warehouse for? What?
For
People
use warehouse to save or keep things that not commonly to use again.
All right. Okay, so what do you save inside a warehouse?
Toys.
Mm-hmm.
Toys.
Toys that you don't commonly use anymore, right?
Yes.
Why don't you just throw it away?
Because in my house there are so many toys, and what kurangin? Kurangin.
I want to reduce.
I want to reduce the toys.
Yeah, so why don't you just throw it away in the trash can instead of saving it inside the warehouse?
Because my little sister can play it again.
Oh, okay, so you want to give it to your little sister?
Yes.
All right. The next question is, what do you think about your bathroom?
My bathroom is clean, but sometimes it's little bit smelly.
It's a little bit smelly. So, what do you do if your bathroom is smelly?
I close the door.
Oh, so you don't help your mom to clean it?
No.
No, alright. Do you usually help your mom at home?
What?
Do you usually help your mom at home?
Sometimes
Sometimes, what do you do?
I mop the floor
Mm-hmm.
and I put the trash.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Throw the trash.
Yes.
Take out the trash. Okay. The next question is, do you want to live in residence or apartment someday when you are already adult?
I think residence
Why?
because uh, when I live in residence, when it is
If I live in residence,
if I live in residence, if it is um, have all have by pay it, I can live in the residence every day.
okay. If in apartment, if you pay, you can also live there.
But in apartment, we if we live in there every day, we need to pay it per month.
Okay. How about residence? You also have to pay it, right? But what is the difference?
The difference is when we have pay and it is done, we can live in there. What is past?
Forever?
Yes.
So in certain period of time, the house can belong to you
Yes.
for residence. Yes. Okay. Um, Next question. Why cannot we eat in bedroom?
Because the bathroom is can be dirty and smelly.
Say the bedroom can be.
The bathroom can be dirty and smelly.
Okay. Next. This one, just grammatical question. Is how many kitchens are there in your house?
Kitchen.
Yes.
There is one kitchen in my house.
Okay. Is there a big wardrobe in your bedroom?
Mm, no, there are.
Is there
No, there
big wardrobe?
isn't.
No, there isn't. Okay. Are there dolls in your bedroom?
Yes, there are.
Are there curtains in your living room?
Yes, there is.
Are there
Oh,
curtains?
yes, there are.
What are the colors of your curtains?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. Next. Is your warehouse messy?
No, it is not.
No, it is not. It is.
Huh?
It is. If not messy, it means it is.
It is not.
Yeah, you said it is not messy, right? It means it is.
It is not.
Yeah, I know it is not messy, but what is another way to say it is not messy? It means berarti it is
Isn't.
organized. Okay. Do you usually eat in your living room?
Sometimes I eat in my living room.
Okay. Do you help your mom to cook?
Yes.
Guess what?
Yes, I need.
Do you?
Oh, yes, I do.
Okay, now please give me 5 questions.
Um, do you like to sleep in your living room?
No, I don't. I prefer to sleep in my bedroom.
Is your house spacious?
Right now, I live in a rent house and it is not spacious, but it is cozy.
Mm, is is there a fridge in your house?
Yes, there is. I have a one-door fridge. It is small, but it is enough to keep the food that I want to keep.
Is your house aesthetic?
No, it is not. It's just a simple house, but not really aesthetic.
Do you like your house and why?
Yes, I do like my house because it is a place where I can live. I can do lots of things. Mostly after work, I go home and I take a rest in house. I also can do many things besides that, like cooking and then chilling out and many more.
I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay.